The triple compact fridge filter kit is basically similar to an under-counter system, but small enough to fit behind the fridge. It consists of an inline sediment filter to catch dirt, and quite a bit more dirt than you would typically find on a fridge filter setup. Then it goes through a inline carbon filter like you would typically have on a fridge. But what makes it special is after the carbon filter, it goes through a hollow fiber membrane, which is ultrafiltration, which is a physical barrier for bacteria. So this setup gives you lots of dirt catching capability. It's got a large carbon filter to catch a lot of chlorine. And then you've got a physical barrier for bacteria, giving you vastly superior quality water going into the fridge.